All right, blind test again. Here we go. We're gonna try to guess the soap products without smelling them, just touching them. So, all right, Josh, you got me all set up, right? How many are we doing today?
We got 3 of them.
3 of them today. Let's give it a shot.
Starting all the way to the right here.
Number 1. What we got? We ready? It's got some gritty texture to it. Okay. This is an industrial hand cleaner of some sort.
All right, number 2.
Number 2?
Number 2 here.
All right.
All right, it's on there.
Why is that one cold? All right. This is smooth. It does not have any texture. This is, I guess, I don't know. I don't fucking know. Smooth soap, but it's not smooth like a Dawn, and it didn't lather. No lather on that one. I have a guess. What else we got?
All right, we got 1 more left.
1 more.
More. Oh, didn't open the cap all the way.
Oh, come on, get with it.
Oh, there we go.
You just missed everywhere. All right, what we got? Okay, another industrial hand cleaner. Nice and gritty. Good lubrication. Feel the soap. Is it clear? Can I take this blindfold off?
Yeah, you can take the blindfold off.
Blindfold off, all right. All right, what do we got? Number 1.
Number 1 was over here.
Number 1, that was, again, one of the orange cleaners, a Gojo or a Fast Orange. I'm going to stick with Gojo on that one. It's a little bit thicker. Yeah, I'm Gojo.
Second one, right here in the middle.
Second one, I don't know. It was smooth. I was going to put, like, I have no idea, like a Gojo, like there's like a bucket one that you can scoop your hands out. It's smooth. That one kind of seems like what it felt like. It was cold though, so you're messing with me, dude. What is it? What's number 3? What's number 3? I'm gonna say the Gojo bucket. All right. What's number 3? What's number 3?
I don't know. It's for you to guess.
That was gripclean. That was our soap for sure, hands down. Look how clean my hands are. I mean, get out of here. No, you did. I'm gonna get you.